Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the OpenAI dall-e 2, all you need to know and how to use it. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is go to openai.com/gradle/dall-e2 and you'll be directed here on this site. So it says here on the introduction page, the dall-e 2 is an AI system that can create realistic images and art from a description in natural language. So basically, it's an AI that can create anything in the image out of text, and you can truly customize it whenever you want. And dall-e 2 can create original, realistic images and art from text description. It can combine concepts, attributes, and style. It's like having your own artist, but it can create art instantly and using your words. As you can see here, this is also an example of an input when you command dall-e 2 to make an astronaut riding a horse in photorealistic style, and this will be the result. And there will be much more here. This is really amazing, guys. This is game-changing because this is a really powerful tool, especially if you're a businessman who is constantly in need for arts. And this is just a tool for you. So now, enough with the introduction with dall-e. Let's now try it. Let's click here. Before we get to try it, we have to create our own account so that we can proceed. So I have a tip here for you so that you don't need your own cell phone number to do it. You can just create a dummy one. So let's do this one. Please have to go to this website and you will choose a number that you can use. For me, I will use this one here. Original address. And then let's go here to temporary.org. You can use this. There. And now create a password, which is, let's go 123 tutorial. Right there. Let's not continue. And then let's wait for it to load. And now to verify your email, let's go here so that we can see the email that OpenAI sent us. Then let's click on verify email. This is a really good dummy account because you can see your inbox here for a while until you close that tab. And now let's provide our first prompt. Let's shoot, then tutorial. Let's rate 05, May 1, 1996. There. And then the phone number. Let's use this website here, then paste it here. Oh, and that's it. Oh, good. Let's choose another one because it seems that this one is related to many accounts already. So let's see. Say, can we change the country? Yeah, we can. So let's choose Spain. Let's see where is Spain here. Or maybe let's just try out with the number just to check if this is still working or this one. First one, so I'll just use this Spain one here. Let's leave this let's copy, and then here we choose the spring. Spring, I have here for this. It's already linked to the maximum accounts also, so I'll just skip to the part here where it's already logged in, because once you get to this part, you will be able to log in with dall-e already. So here we are, we have now finished to sign up and log in. Now we are here now in the labs.openai.com, officially here in dall-e engine. And in here we can type here whatever we want, and this AI will turn our words into images, such as this one here right here. There are examples here. These are really amazing examples with just words. You can create these amazing images. But just a heads up, guys, that in order for you to use this, you need credits. And as you can see, I currently have 0 here. And all you need to do is, so that you will have credits, is to click on buy credits. And for 15 USD, you'll get 115 credits. And for 1 credit, you will get one time generate here. We will generate one photo for you. And not just that, you can also edit it if you're not satisfied with the AI's result. You can edit it. Or you also have the option to upload an image, not just type a word here. You can upload here an image to be edited by the AI if you want to add something. Like maybe you want to upload here a portrait of your dog, and then you want to edit it into something like a cat. Then this AI can definitely do that. So if you want to learn more about credits, then you should just click here. So obviously I don't have any credits, so I can't really show you, but it's really simple, guys. All you need to do here is just be very direct in typing your search. Like for example, let's say a dog taking a bath in another universe. Then the AI will probably create something that is a dog taking a bath, or in a bathtub in another world. So that's it. You just have to be really specific, guys. And thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.